Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us keep making these daily videos for you. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 314. We start with this column. We're missing 1, 6, and 9. No help here. 1, 6, 9. No help here. 1, 6, 9. We've got the 9 here, so 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got the 1 here and the 9 here, so this is our 2. 9 here, so 1, 9. For this bottom row now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here and a 3 here, so this is our 1. That makes this our 6, 3. We can get rid of this 6 and this 6. For this box now, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 8 here, so 9, 8. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this column now, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 7. No help here, 2, 3, 7. 7 here, so 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 5, 4 here, so 3, 5, 5 here, so 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 2. No help here, so 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so that makes this our 1, 9, 6, and that 9 makes this our 1. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. That 7 makes this our 2, 3, 7. That 3 makes this our 5, 3, 4, 5. For this box now, we're missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this row, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. That 4 makes this our 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. And for this box, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.